Let me ask you something. What is that one thing you've been meaning to do, but you keep stopping yourself? Fix your relationship, learn a new skill, start a business, or simply feel happier and more confident? If you have been stuck, it is not your fault. Your brain is doing something you don't even notice. Before we go deeper, please subscribe, like, and comment. It helps this message reach more people, especially women who are presently going through this phase of life I'm about to speak about. 3 months after I got married, I lost my job. At the same time, I found out I was pregnant. I felt fear. I felt sadness. I felt tired. I felt stuck. I cried many nights because I didn't know what to do. My mind was full of worry. My body was full of stress. I felt like life was too heavy. If you have ever felt like this way, please like this video so I know I'm not alone. Now, let's talk about why women stay stuck. Many women stay stuck because the brain loves comfort. The brain loves what is easy. The brain loves what feels safe. So, when you try something new, your brain says, stop, stay where you are. This is normal. Millions of women feel this way. However, it is just a simple brain science. Let me explain. Your brain has a part called the survivor brain. The job is to protect you. When you want to start a business, or fix your relationship, learn a skill, or change your life, your survivor brain feels danger. It sends fear. It sends doubt. It sends worry. This is why you freeze. This is why you delay. This is why you feel stuck. I am telling you from my own personal experience because all this I felt at that time. And I understand now why I felt that way. Now, why women feel it more? Let me explain. Women carry a lot. Family pressure, work pressure, emotional weight. When your brain is tired, it chooses the easiest path, and that is doing nothing. You are not lazy. Your brain is simply overwhelmed. Here is your turning point. The good news is the brain can change. I learned this during my heart season. I started using small steps, writing my dreams, calming my mind, and celebrating my small wins. Slowly, I became stronger. Slowly, I became confident. Slowly, I became free. And I am so in sync with this knowledge that there is nothing I dream of that I'm afraid to go after. Why? Because I use these solutions every single day and they work. If you want this kind of confidence, subscribe now so you don't miss my next videos. Now let's talk about how to break free, step by step. Number 1, start small. Your brain likes small steps, not big jumps. Do one small action every day. Number 2, reduce fear. Say this: I am safe. I can try. This calms your survivor brain. When you talk to yourself, when you become your own psychotherapist, when you become your safe space, your body, your brain responds to it because this is your inner strength you are calling to carry you over to your new place. Number 3, change environments. Sit in a clean place. A clean space. Turn off noise. Your brain works better in peace. Number 4, write your dream down. When you write your dream, your brain sees it as real. This helps you move. It gives you clarification as to what is the next step. What am I supposed to do now? What is the next action? Your brain connects visually with what you're thinking about doing. It is no longer just in your head. You are seeing it now. So your body responds to it. Number 4, whether I don't know, maybe it's number 5. I think because, it's not easy. Celebrate your small wins. Every small action is progress and you should celebrate it. Your brain loves reward. Reward makes you continue. It energizes you. You are motivated from within. And something is like making you to float to your next glow. Now, I want you to think again. What is that thing you've been meaning to do? Fix your relationship? Start a business? Learn a skill? Build your confidence? Become happier? Your dream is still possible. Your future is still possible. Your dream is still alive. Your future is still possible. You are not stuck because you are weak. You are stuck because your brain is scared. But your brain can learn. And you can rise again. Your brain can grow. Start small. Start today. Your new life is waiting. Please subscribe, like and comment. Tell me in the comments what is the one thing you want to start doing today. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.